This is a student license client file for SolidWorks. It manages the software activation. It is not a 3D part file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the license. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the SLC file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. The SLC is an optimized structure designed for the specific needs of 3D CAD file programs. It carries the unique signature of the SolidWorks license file specification. The SLC file extension is associated with 3D light control and slide data. These files contain specific parameters and settings related to controlling lighting effects and slide transitions within a 3D environment. They are used to define how light interacts with objects and how slides are presented in a 3D scene, ensuring synchronized and visually appealing presentations. SLC files are structured to store lighting configurations, including light source positions, intensities, colors, and animation paths. They also contain slide transition data, specifying the timing and effects used when moving between slides. The file format is designed for efficient storage and retrieval of these parameters, enabling real-time control and synchronization in 3D applications. The common standard viewer for SLC is typically 3D Lightyear from 3D Systems. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows supports only basic previews, so full model access requires dedicated engineering tools. Let's make this simple. Right-click the SLC file and hit Open With. If 3D Lightyear is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, choose another program. It's a matter of finding the right decoder. If the SLC file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the SLC format. First, use SolidWorks License Manager. If it is a license file, open the SolidWorks Solid Network License Manager to add and activate the file. Next, use a 3D STL Viewer. If the file is a 3D model, use a free viewer like 3D Builder or MeshLab to see the 3D geometry. Finally, open as text. Right-click the file and open it in Notepad to check for expiration dates or host IDs written in plain text. If tests show the SLC file is uniquely difficult, the most practical solution is the Universal Viewer. It is built for non-standard files and worth a try. When your SLC file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I hope your file is working now. If you're happy with the result, hit the like and subscribe buttons quickly.